the bacon, I told you it was going to get nice and crispy. Hi guys, and welcome back to another delicious episode of Shelly's Homemade. And today, guys, we're going to be making some roasted Brussels sprouts for your Thanksgiving dinner. Alright, make sure you have this on your menu for your next Thanksgiving meal. Alright, so first thing we're going to do, as some olive oil, we're just going to put it in our pan, just a little bit, like a tablespoon. And we're going to grab 5 slices of bacon, and we're just going to cut our bacon right into our pan. So what we want to do is just cook this bacon, rend off all the fat, get it nice and crispy. And when it gets nice and crispy, we're going to come back and I'm going to show you what we're going to do next. Alright, so this is where I want my bacon to be. So now I'm going to take and add a 1/4 stick of some butter right in there. And we're going to add our scallions. Now you can add regular onions if you don't have scallions. It would be amazing. We're going to add some brown sugar to this. So if you don't have brown sugar, you can substitute with honey. If you don't have honey, you can just use some sugar. So I'm just taking my shears and just cutting up the scallions right inside. Here, we want the butter to melt when we get our scallions and everything in there. I have 2 1-pound bag of Brussels sprouts that I have halved in half, and I just cut them down just like this, just right in half. Just cut them right in half. And we're just going to switch. Turn that off. We're going to go ahead and add our Brussels sprouts, and we want to add our brown sugar. This is 1/3 of a cup of brown sugar. Now we're going in with some onion powder, some black pepper, some chicken bouillon, about 1.5 teaspoons of some chicken bouillon, not too much because it is salty, and the bacon is salty. So we don't want to add salt on top of salt, and then it'd be too salty for you to eat. Add some garlic powder. So add right in there just like that. Then you're going to go in, just mix it in just like so. Then you come in with that bacon and butter and all of that good stuff right on top, just like so. It looks good already. And you just get in there and just tear it up just the way it is. So now we're just going to get it right into the oven, a 375-degree oven, for about 45 to 55 minutes. Then we're going to be all done. Okay guys, so this is so beautiful. Look at how beautiful these Brussels sprouts turned out. Then we're going to go ahead and give them a taste. And the bacon, I told you it was going to get nice and crispy all up in there. Let's get these a taste. They're perfectly seasoned. The bacon, oh yeah, God, absolutely amazing. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And as always, guys, have a wonderful day. I'll see you in the next video.